Hello and welcome back to Juma Communications. Today we're going to talk about some of our inductive covert wired products. So typically we've got two products to talk about here. The first is one we call a COV-LOOP system. So this uses an inductive technology. So it's sending the radio signal through this neck loop up to the wireless earpieces, which we talked about in the previous video. Incidentally, this will work with people's hearing aids as well. So if you do have customers that have users with hearing aids and they want a system to connect to their two-way radio, then both of these products we're showing today would work with that. So typically we have a neck loop here. There's a quick disconnect here, so for easy installation around your neck. You can see I've got a product I'm wearing here. But if you are in a surveillance team and potentially you were in a scuffle, that's a safety feature that it pulls away without pulling you with the rest of the neck loop. There's a microphone built into the bottom of here, so that's picking up your voice on the transmission on your radio system. That can be worn under several layers of clothes, so shirts, jumpers, jackets. It's still picking up your voice through all those levels. This, say, COV-LOOP system has a wired push-to-talk button, so we've got a connection to connect to a Motorola two-way radio, and then when you want to speak on the radio, it's a press and hold of the PTT button. So that's our sort of entry-level covert product. The version I'm wearing is what we call COV-WIRELESS. So this, in effect, reduces one of the cables out of the system. So we've just got one cable from the radio up through a small housing. So this houses a wireless receiver, which communicates with our covert wireless PTT. So this will allow the user pressing the button in the middle to transmit their voice on the radio system. The second button will send a series of tones. So if a user can't speak for whatever reason, they can send a series of Morse clicks on the system, or if they continue to press it, it'll give an emergency rapid beeping on the receiving radio. There's a pairing button on this housing here, so if you were to lose, break, damage that product, then that can be used to pair a new wireless PTT to the system. And there's also a wired button on here to transmit should that become lost in the field when the person's on a live job. And obviously a rotating 360 clothes clip to attach that onto the user's clothing there. And then a lead up to the same style of microphone and inductive neck loop as we were talking about on the COV-LOOP. So those are the two products. They will work with our COV-3 and COV-6 wireless earpiece. I've got a COV-3 here that I'm using, so that would work on either of those wireless earpieces. So there are our covert products. Thanks for watching. If you're on YouTube, then please hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Leave any questions in the comments below, and we'll see you at the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.